and welcome to a new video here on my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, today we are going to try out some Heatless Waves. What's it called? Wave formers that I bought on the interwebs. We are going to try if they actually work. I actually first saw this on a girl here on the YouTube called Amber. I can link her down below so you guys can see how it looked on her hair. And I just really wanted to try it out on my hair because also, as you guys know, I'm trying to take care of my hair as much as possible. I actually just like a day or two ago, I noticed that I kind of have a bald spot. And it's probably because of bleaching and it kind of freaked me out. And also, I mean, my hair up here is just, oh, there you go. It's just fucked, as you guys can see. Like, look at that. How sad is that? So I have been trying to not use as much heat on my hair as I did before. So I really hope that these ones work. As I said, I bought these on the internet. I bought them on eBay actually, and this is how they look. I have two of them right here. I was hoping that these would be a little bit longer because, as you guys know, I have very long hair right now. And the one that Amber used on her video were longer, I think at least. This is the longest ones that I could find, and they're not really long enough, but we are going to try it anyways. So what you do is you take this little thing that you got in the package. These are super cheap, by the way, and I actually think that you can reuse them like a long time. So if this works, I am a very happy little girl because I think it would help my hair a lot. And as you guys know, also I love doing my hair wavy. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, now we are a little bit more zoomed out. I'm just going to, I mean, look at this, it's so sad. Just going to brush out my hair a little bit. Oops. I don't really know how much hair you should use, but maybe like this. I don't know, really. I guess that if you use smaller sections, it will be more voluminous. I'm going to use this little thing that looks absolutely horrible. So scary. And let's see. Let's half this. So we have two of those. I'm just gonna brush this through. I'm scared that this will like jank out my hair extensions. Okay, now I have my hair in this little thing. And what should you do? Should you put this here? Or wait, I'm so confused. Apparently you should already have this on, which is probably very obvious. Okay, like that. And now you should just pull this in, I guess. Ooh. This is way too short. Fuck. Maybe you could do two. Should I do two? Okay, I have one of those and then this one. Maybe you could put it on top. I mean, like that. Maybe that could work, right? Ooh, perfect. Oh my god, just look. I know it might look like it hurt, but it actually didn't at all. I didn't feel a thing. Okay, I'm just gonna push one of these into the other. And why I'm using one blue and one yellow has nothing to do with anything. I just felt it looked cute. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna put this on. Like that. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys super in depth. I'm gonna take this hair. It is all brushed and it's feeling nice. I'm gonna hook on my hair. Okay, that hurt a little bit, but not really. Oopa. I'm shocked how easy this was. If this works, this is so time saving and like so cool. Okay, now I'm thinking that I will put these there and I will take down this hair. Ugh. Oh, why is my ear so red? What the hell? I'm gonna brush through this and then I am going to do a time lapse doing all of my hair in this weird wave formers. Okay, let's go. Okay, I am completely done and I look absolutely crazy, and I don't know how this will look on my top head because this is what I got, and also a little bit on my damaged ass hair didn't fit. So I guess I will have to fix that if this looks good. So I guess we will see each other in a few hours and see how it looks. Alrighty, you guys, it is much later. I've had this on for almost 7 hours now, and I think that I could be able to take them out. They are not as uncomfortable as I thought it would be, but I mean, they are in the way, kinda. Like, it's kinda tugging on the hair a little bit. But if this works and if it looks cool, maybe I should have like longer ones, I know. If it looks good, then I might even buy another pack that is longer, or just another one so I can have like 3 here. Let's just pull one out and see how it looks. Are you guys ready? Okay. I mean, I know that I was conflicting maybe having wet hair when doing this, but also I didn't want to do that because my hair like dries in like 48 hours. So that didn't do much. But okay, let's just take the other ones out. I am so disappointed. Maybe a little bit more like fluffy, I don't know. But this is not wavy at all. And I know that you guys are watching this now like screaming at me that I should have had some type of styling cream or anything in, or wet hair, but I didn't, and this is the result. It didn't work. I think that I will try this again, but with wet hair, and then we'll see. But right now it was a fail. Sorry, I feel like I want to say. Sorry for taking your time watching this video. If there are any other like heating, no heat curlers or anything with the hair or anything weird makeup stuff that you guys want me to try, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I do have noticed that the views here on the gram, I was gonna say, no, the tube is kind of low, and I don't really know why, because I do think that I'm still doing what I used to do, and I don't want to be that person being like, oh my god, I don't have any likes or views. That's not me. But because of that I have noticed, it would be really cool if you guys could comment down below what you would like to see or what you want me to improve if you don't like my content anymore. So yeah, that is it. I really hope you will have an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye guys.